I'm Deanne, and I'm going to teach you how to use the two-step GrandeBROW system. So you're going to get both these pieces. You start with the serum, that's the smaller tube, and this is what it looks like when it comes out. All you do is just kind of trace around your eyebrows, especially where you want them to grow more. So I'm going to get up close for you guys, and my eyebrows are super thin from years of just like over plucking in my 20s. And definitely this one, it needs to come out farther. So I always try to concentrate over here. And this is a 6-week trial size on it. So you get 6 weeks to really see, will it work? I'm on about week 2 and I'm seeing a little bit of growth, not a ton, but again, gotta go 6 weeks. Okay, so that's the first step. You're gonna let that dry for a couple minutes and then we're gonna put this on. So this is gonna be the gel. I have it in clear. This is the wand. You can see it's like a tiny little wand. And what you're gonna do is upward strokes, little upward strokes. And what's really cool is this like works. Okay, I'm gonna show you it right now. I should wait a little longer, but because of just demoing, I'm gonna go ahead. I know I'm looking off this way, but I'm using my camera as a mirror. So look at that. You kind of like upward stroke, upward stroke. I'm gonna fill in my brows, but if I go like straight upward, it also kind of shows me like, oh, I guess I could trim my eyebrows. I'm not a professional at that, so I probably should go get it done. But you're gonna get that, and then we're gonna do this side. Put it up. Now, if you have really good brows and you're just putting it up, it's gonna make it look instantly fuller. Mine look kind of crazy when I do that. So what I do is kind of use this to really like see where I wanna fill in, and I do kind of push them down a little bit. That's my method. Again, if you have amazing brows, you just lift them straight up. All right, now we're gonna fill. And what's great is your eyebrows stay gelled. So it's awesome. I really, really think this tube is really cool. All right, now for just purposes of finishing, you just pick your favorite eyebrow pencil or gel, whatever you're gonna use. I have this right here and I'm gonna fill it in and you'll get a little before and after on my brows. And done. If you're trying to grow out your brows like me, check out this set. I think it's a really good value and I think you're gonna like it.